Yeah.
So this is the artificial neural network. So artificial neural network, it inspired by human brain, and artificial neural network has three main part. So you can see this is the one part. It's called the input layer. It's the main part, input layer. Then it's called the hidden layer, and another layer is for output layer. Okay. Suppose input layer, what happened? Input layer, test data. Suppose input layer, we simply apply the test data. Suppose I want to classify land use, land cover. So I simply put the some test data for vegetation, water body, or water pixel, or just pixel value. Suppose every class's pixel value I simply input in my input layer. And hidden layer, what's happened? So this hidden layer, what's happened? So in the hidden layers, does the thinking. Hidden layer does the thinking, finds the pattern, and combines the information. Okay, so three things. So first of all, the hidden layer is thinking, and find out the pattern on your data, and also combines the information. Okay, and output layer just give you the final result. Okay, give you the final result. Suppose just make the land use land cover map or prediction map. Okay, what do we need? So in the input layer, we simply apply the test data. Example, suppose pixel value. Not all time or not pixel value. So different types of data input. It can be some image, drone image, or some satellite image pixel value. So different types of data we simply input in this type of layer. And then we, in the hidden layer section, it just thinking and find the pattern and also combine the information from your data set. And finally, output layer give you the prediction land use land cover map or decision or prediction. It is behavior different activity. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case,